Guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to go ahead and review this Blink XT2 2-camera system. We're going to do an open box review. We're going to go ahead and check out what's inside. Alright guys, upon opening up the box, we have two cameras here with two mounts, and then we have two pair of batteries, and we also have the module. Then it comes with its own charger. So we're going to go ahead and set this baby up. Alright guys, so on this review, actually I installed these and trying to mount them and everything. Looks like I'm gonna go ahead and return this product because it would not sync in to the module, and if it would sync in, it would not recognize the camera. So it's just an issue, so I'm not gonna deal with it. I tried it like 5 times. It's pretty annoying. I mean, they're pretty cool, you know, they're wireless and everything, but they don't work properly. So you're gonna run into so much trouble, so I'm gonna go ahead and return these. So I give these a thumbs down. Alright guys, hopefully this review helps. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and help you out with other things. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.